Activities are referred to as our app display layer. Each activity has its own lifecycle, which are represented by a set of functions for callback. The callback starts with the onCreate, which is called once during the lifetime of the activity. Then moves to the onStart, where the activity is preparing to be visible. After that, the onResume is called, and the app is fully visible and interactive with the user. If something interrupts the activity, then it moves to the pause state. If you navigate back to the activity, the system once again calls the onResume and stays there. When another app with higher priority needs more memory, then the system kills your app, providing enough memory to that app. When you try to navigate back to the activity, the lifecycle will start from the beginning, from the onCreate state. If neither of those situations occurred, then the onStop gets called, and here the activity has fully moved to the background. It's possible when you are in this state that other apps need more memory, and again the state is moved to the onCreate state. When the app is in the background and you open the app, in this case the app is brought back to the foreground, and onRestart then onStart are invoked. Finally, the onDestroy is called, and the activity is fully destroyed.